welcome to my YouTube channel and master. uh, Today I'm going to tell how to use 3D formula, which means the linking Excel sheet in a easy way. I have few information. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 countries and few products and relevant sale values. I want to get summary in this sheet in a easy way. But in a normal way, what you're going to do is normally we have to add all figures one by one like this. But if we have more than 30, 50, 100 sheet, which is very difficult to do, it's very cumbersome. So there is a easy way to do this kind of scenarios, but make sure your format in every sheet should be equal. I mean similar format. All sheets should be in a similar format. Otherwise, we can't do it. Okay, I will tell how to link in an easy way every sheet in a at once. For that, I will put some, press tab and go to first sheet, press first item, then press shift button and go to the last sheet, select it and close the bracket, press enter. If it is more than 150 or 200 sheet, we can do the same and very easy way, rather adding one by one. Then just copy the formula for everyone and same thing happen. And another advantage of this formula is if you're missing something, later also we can add same thing to the range. What I mean in I received Brazil sales data after the summary created. I can add this data into the summary, just dragging into the range. Now summary sheet included the Brazil data also. I can just change this to 100,000. You can check the summary also increase, which means the Brazil data also added automatically without manual intervention. So this is called 3D formula. Simple way is linking all sheet together, very easy way. That's called 3D formula. Then we will meet another day. If you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon also. Thank you. We will meet in another video.